You have a lot of ideas.
Uh-oh.
Are you aware of that?
Yes.
I do listen to them, whether I say that out loud or not. And this one that we've been batting around a bit for a little while now on where do they start? I have something I think you might like
Oh.
to see.
Oh, what is this? What do we have here? Oh, you gave this a shot.
I did. I gave our ski mountain a go.
Wait a second. This is insane.
Yeah. Yeah. It works. There are green runs. There are blue runs. There are black diamond runs. Some of them intersect.
But these are not ones we came up with.
No, these are ones that our customers are using
And creating. Like, wow.
and using over and over. So this is based in like what makes the most sense day one, what makes the most sense after day one, what makes the most sense once you're in there and comfortable, all mapped out as though you were going skiing for the day at a mountain.
You know exactly where you stand.
How does a local navigate the mountain? Yeah. Once you've gotten comfortable, all that, and you know exactly what you're looking at and understand how to get started and then how to navigate the whole thing.
This is actually how people are using it.
I tried it out in the coolest way I think you possibly could. I went into Day.
Right.
I talked today about our own customers.
Yeah.
So this is based on, I think, 30 of our customer use cases and how we are onboarding them, how we are working with them, how they are using the product. But yeah, this is all based in actual use case data from the product.
And so that's how you're getting some of this like real detail behind the why.
In fact, the first like pull of this information told me exactly which customers like these skills came from. I just asked it to anonymize this because our goal was to ultimately use it for, you know, marketing purposes and to put it out in the world more publicly.
You could just put logos on this
100%,
stuff, or
easily.
you could say like, these are the expert skier workspaces. Wow, dude, this is unbelievable. And then it could just, sorry, I'm catching up.
It's really fun.
And it's all interactive. We could just put this on the website.
Yep. Like probably in 20 minutes.
Right.
It could just be a living, breathing page.
It's just a way of showing our business and specifically customer value. This is that, but it's all bound. Literally, if somebody has some brilliant insight on a call, this just updates. What? So this is how we're going to do our marketing. We're doing it. This is us doing it. This is the marketing. That's why you pulled me in here.
Sure did. We are the marketing.
This is a marketing campaign. We're in it. Sort of a Truman Show moment.